press on 3, 2, that's right, isn't it? Go.
So you can see the building with the blue roof. That used to be the boiler house. Just to the left and down a bit, you can see a green patch. Houses used to be there. I used to live there. Penrhys. When I was a child, 5 or 6 age, clearly remember seeing white lights flowing around my bedroom, which I now understand to be orbs. And I clearly remember seeing a white figure dressed in old type clothing and old type hat, standing on my landing waving to me night after night, smiling. He seemed happy. There wasn't any threat. But these orbs I used to see, used to move slow around the bedroom, faster around the bedroom, up and down. At the time as a kid, you didn't understand what they were, but now I understand what they are. But that area there is cymru, which is down on the Glamorgan Archaeology Trust. There's an ancient Bronze Age burial area, and also on maps is a site of battle. Running right up along that ridge then is the Penrhys Fault. So out of that fault comes teleric energy, earth energy, and there's been studies showing that these energies will make spectres or spooks or whatever you want to call them materialise. So there's a lot of stuff going on there.
Do you know what colour these orbs were? Because I want to put this in my next book.
White.
They were white orbs.
White.
Square, circular?
It's just round shapes.
Okay.
I've never seen them.
And do you know this ghost you were talking about, right? This ghost. What was it like? Some more details. What was the cloak? Was it in a habit? What did it look like?
It wasn't like dress. It was old clothing. I don't know. Old type hat.
Medieval, Victorian?
Old Victorian.
Right. Dickensian, yeah? Something like that. And the person was like...
Medieval type clothing.
Oh, right, Tudory.
Yeah.
With like ruffs and type thing.
No, not that type of, not that far.
Right.
Maybe a bit old, younger than that.
Yeah. You can't remember anything more about the figure, no?
No.
But it was a male.
It was a male, clear male. I remember him standing there. Outside.
Yeah.
I remember lying on my bed, looking. The bed is running that way to the door. I remember lying on my side, looking out, just wide awake, and he's just smiling, waving. And I see him night after night after night.
How old were you? That's important.
I was about 5 or 6, something like that, really young.
And do you mind giving the number of the house again? Do you know?
I think it was 123.
Right.
I will have to check with my parents. It was Penrhys, and it was to the left of the boiler house down here, where you've got that green patch all the houses used to be.
Right.
So the cymru area.
Yes.
And right next to where the Penrhys Fault runs. That Penrhys Fault runs down the mountain, where you can see the pretty much where the telegraph poles are.
Yeah.
And the fault line.
So it sort of runs into the blue building and down, or?
No, to the left. It comes to the left and down to the left. So skirts the housing estate.
All right. Yeah.
And the Fun on Vide, St Mary's Well, is actually on the fault line. So that's where the water's coming up.
Ah, that's the spring, exactly. Wow, that's lovely. So
this area is a hive of energy. It's a hive of energy. You've got ancient battle, ancient burial ground, teleric energies coming up from the fault line. So if you look at the geological map, you'll see the Penrhys Fault running right up there.
And Di Jones, thank you.